A very good morning, dear friends. Once again, I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. Dear friends, this is our episode number 41. This is dedicated to the human mind or human brain or the layer L3. This is the coming under the concept series for the world. Dear friends, this is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it once, kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlists on the Corona and the COVID-19 series, and also working on its very free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefits. Dear friends, welcome in the concept series. Welcome in a new world. These are the summary of the concept which we have covered in our previous episode. Kindly refer it if you want to see in the details, just like the episode number 27, 28, 29, 30, etc. etc. These are the summary and the gist of the concepts. Kindly revise it once so that you can see, you can just understand what I want to say. If you are new to this channel, if you are new to this episode. Dear friends, in the last episode number 40, we have discussed about some of the concept. Let us revise it in the brief. The concept number 23 was human mind or the human brain is the most prominent layer of the human system, of the human existence. This is the center of the human system, human existence. By the prominent layer L3, the human is getting identified. This means the layer L3 or the brain or the mind is so much important that yes, the human is getting identified by it. Neither by the soul, neither from the body, neither from the emotional layer or the heart layer, but yes, as per ancient language Sanskrit, man plus ayushya iti manushya. This means the human is getting identified by the thought layer because we all the humans have this layer very prominently. Concept number 24 is human brain or the mind is the biggest consumer of the power or energy or body electricity or the chi energy. What is the chi energy? Chi energy is the kindly refer the YouTube or the Google it. This is the electricity which is running our complete body. This is the nerve energy. Yes, the human brain or the mind is the biggest consumer of the power or the energy. Almost 20% of our body electricity is getting consumed by only our brain. So much biggest consumer it is. And dear friends, it has the nature of signal transmitting. This means it is transmitting the thoughts, it is transmitting the signals. And other person heart will catch it. It will work like the signal receiver. This means the brain is transmitting the signal and heart is catching the signals or the receiving the signals. The human brain or the mind has some inheritance attack nature. It is always in the attacking mode. Signal transmitting, attacking, and so on. Concept number 25 is as per the science, and we thank the medical science of today, we thank the medical allopathy today. As per the medical science, the left brain is logical. The left brain is logical and has the mathematical orientation, analytical orientation. The right brain is creative orientation. The right brain have creative orientation just like the poet, musician, etc. The left brain controls the right body. It is just like in the zigzag. Left is controlling the right, right is controlling the left. I am not saying, the medical science is saying, and we are just waiting it. So dear friends, the left and the right brain users. Who are the right brain users? Poet, singers, musician, painters, like of the creative persons are of the greater importance and at the better humanity level than the left brain users. I am saying, I know I am what I am saying. Although in the humanity, on the earth, on the planet earth, left brain users or the persons who have the analytical mind or the mathematical mind are very important. Agreed. But I can say on behalf of the spirituality that the musician, whoever is the right brain users, are at the better humanity level in comparison to the left brain users. The woman, the gender women, have the naturally more activated right brain. Male have by default more activated logical brains. The women have by default, by nature, they have the more activated right brains. That's why all the women of the world, all the women of the our planet Earth are comparatively more advanced human than the men. Concept number 26 is, as per the spirituality, infinity wishes, infinity words, infinity images constitutes our brain or the mind. Each wish, each word, each picture creates a small brain or the small mind. And completion of that particular wish, repeating, completion of that particular wish vanishes that particular small mind or the brain. I know it is slightly tough, but dear friends, neither the physics is easy, nor the chemistry is easy, nor the economics is easy. That's why if you want to clear the concept of the spirituality, then at least we have to read it, we have to understand it, so that we can use these particular concept, these particular basics in the infinity of our applications, so that our human level can be get enriched, so that our human life can be get enriched. So dear friends, each word, each picture creates a small brain or the small mind, and completion of that particular wish vanishes that particular small mind or the small brain. And only the one complete wish out of the infinity pending wishes. In our previous births, in our previous lives, in our previous life, we have so many desires, we have so many wishes in our self. So dear friends, this is the simple principle by which our making of our mind, making of our brain, and vanishing or the deletion of our brain is described in just the 4 lines. And that's why the continuation, making, and the breaking, or the making or the deletion of the brain or the mind is there in the human existence, is there in the human system. And that's why I can say this is the eternal infinity cycle. Concept number 27 is, as brain is just like the machine, that's why it is on the function of the GIGO, or the garbage in, garbage out, or good in, good out. If you are putting the good in your mind, good will be come out of it. If you are putting the garbage in it, then certainly the garbage will come out. That's why what do you want to feed, it is completely depend on you and individual. And concept number 28 is worth living. At this particular state, when you know spirituality at very beginning level, this is of the very highest level of the truth, highest level of the truth described in the very simple language. That's why we will read it once only, we will not go in the detail. Sorry, I'm not so much okay, my throat is something problematic, and I haven't taken care of it, that's why. The concept number 28 is, when by any of the means, by the method of the bhakti, by method of surrendering, by method of the knowledge, by method of karma, by method of action, by any of the means, if all the infinity particles by which our brain is getting constituted, and what are the infinity particles? For the ease of saying, I can say infinity neurons are there, infinity images are there, infinity words are there, infinity thoughts are there. if by any of the means, if the infinity particles are getting removed, and what is the meaning of the getting removed? I cannot say that neurons will be getting removed, then how the brain will be function? That's why if the we have the complete control, we have these particles um, get settled down or the perfect calm stage, then it is called as the finishing of the false I. I am using the word finishing of the false I. This is the false I. This is the layer 3 which is saying that I am the complete I. But no, after the brain there is the emotional layer heart, and after it the human soul is there. That's why that is the true I. L7 or the layer 7 is the true I, and this one is the false I. And how to remove it? This is described in the concept number 28. By any of the means, all the infinity particles should be get removed by hook or by crook, by the help of self or by help of the others. So dear friends, I will not describe the concept number 28. This is of the very high level of the concept, but for the sequence I have to taken care, I have to include it. Dear friends, in the nutshell, if we say self or the human layer which we are discussing, L0 or all the materialistic layer outside our body, just like your car, your gold, your diamond, etc., etc. L1 your own human body, L3 which we are discussing human brain, L6 our own heart, emotional layer, and the L7 which is not getting seed, we will discuss in very simple language, human soul. And this is the comprising L1 to L7 is comprising myself or the myself, and the other person, whoever have the human body, whoever have the human life, other person have the same L1 to L7 in them. They will take care of themselves. I should to be take care of myself. Dear friends, I have described it, kindly read it once. Layer L0, L1, L3, L6 and L7. These are just for the simplicity only. Although L1, L2 is there, L4, 5 is also there. But for the simplicity, for the simple learning, we have to restrict ourselves to the simplicity. Dear friends, these are the concentric circles. This means the L7 is the innermost circle, L6 or the emotional layer or the heart layer is surrounding it, L3 or the thought layer is surrounding the emotional layer, L1 our body is surrounding complete all the layers, and this is the outermost thing which the other persons are seeing. And out of these concentric circle there is infinity outer world comprising of the other persons, other animals, nature, flora and the fauna, and the universe and the multiverse. So dear friends, to understand our human brain, one very good managerial tool we will use, that is the SWOT analysis, SWOT, strength, weaknesses, opportunities and the threats. We will discuss it one by one in our coming episodes. Dear friends, as I have told you clearly, the human mind or the human brain, in this particular episode we will discuss the strength of the human. We will discuss only the strength of our human mind or our human brain. Dear friends, our human mind is the perfect machine. Repeating, it is a perfect machine ever created in this cosmos, in this world. And this is created by the Almighty, by the God, by the Allah, by the Jehovah. It is the perfect machine. Yes, it is a very reliable machine if it is under control. Repeating, if it is not in the control, it will be the threat. We will see afterwards. But if it is a control, it is in the control, then certainly it is a very reliable machine. It is a perfect machine, I can say. It is a perfect slave, perfect servant, uh, which is serving our higher layers. So dear friends, it is a perfect machine. It is a very reliable machine. Yes, very beautiful. It is a very complex machine as per the science. As per the science, our human brain or our human mind is a very complex machine. Even the supercomputer available on this particular day on this earth and the best artificial intelligence cannot reach its level. If my brain is working 100%, then certainly no artificial intelligence, no supercomputer of this planet Earth can beat myself. That's why, dear friends, it's a very complex machine in the eyes of today's science. That's why till now the robots are not up to the mark of the human brain. Although we are using our only 10% of the mind, even the Einstein have used only the 30% of its mind. If we haven't reached till the 100% level, but yes, at the 10% of the level, we can beat the computers. In the India, Shakuntala Devi was there. In the Guinness Book of the World Record, you can see many of the persons who are better than the supercomputers. Dear friends, if you want to understand my concepts, then kindly you can revise it, and also parallelly you can Google it or YouTube it. Whatever I want to say, kindly confirm it by your own methods like the Google, Wikipedia, YouTube, etc. So that you can understand that whether I am saying correct or not. If I am saying correct, kindly uh, do it, whatever I am saying. If you are not believing, no problem, bye bye. There are the millions and the billions of the videos are there on the YouTube, on the Netflix, on the Amazon Prime. Dear friends, we have discussed about the science. Yes, it is a very complex machine. Okay, as per the science in the previous slide. But as a representative of the spirituality, I can say that yes, it is a very, very, very complex machine as per the spirituality also. Repeating, our human mind or our human brain is very, very complex machine in the eyes of the spirituality also. At what time it will behave like what? Nobody knows in the world at all. Although I can do the conditioning of my brain, but what yeah, I will do, you are not able to predict at all. That's why all the human mental illnesses are there, and spirituality is very much concerned about it, about the human brain problems. Dear friends, these kind of the mental illnesses are there in our human body. Kindly refer the previous episodes also. And in the one liner, I can say it is a very complex machine as per the spirituality. Although it is a very complex, but yes, there are some of the methods by which we can control it, and we will discuss it in our future episodes. It is possible to control it. There are the methods with the spirituality. Dear friends, as our human mind or the human brain is the machine, that's why GIGO is applicable. GIGO of the computers. You are forgetting. GIGO means garbage in, garbage out. Good in, good out. Kindly feed your mind with the good, good will be the outcome. Feed with the garbage or the negative emotions or the negative thoughts, you will reap the crop of the negativities, negative thoughts, certainly and the definite. Now the choice is only of the individual. Neither the government, neither your society, neither your family will be guide to you. You are the only person, you are the only individual who have to take care of yourself first. Dear friends, what is the capability of our mind? Let us see in a very beautiful video on the YouTube. And dear friends, yes, I want to produce the original content for the YouTube, and thanks to the YouTube also. who is giving us the platform. But if I am using a single 10-second video of it, it may give me the strike. And yes, the human brain is far better than the um, technology. That's why we have taken this path, taken this method. Kindly wait and watch this video. The link is clearly described in our description, so that you can see that what I want to say, what I want to convey. This video is dedicated to the mind capability, how capable is our mind, dear friends. Kindly wait and watch. Dear friends, I believe that you have watched the video which I have described in our link. One of the human mind or the human brain strength is human body was a bridge from the minus infinity to plus infinity. Kindly refer the body episodes. Human body was a bridge from the minus infinity to plus infinity. Similarly, the human brain or the human mind has the capability of reaching from minus infinity to plus infinity. Repeating, human body was a bridge from the minus infinity to plus infinity. Similarly, human mind is so capable, it is so beautifully designed machine, it has so much power in it that it has capability to reach from the minus infinity to plus infinity. Choice is only of yours, depend on only of yours, your own power, your own will, your own willpower. Path is always open. Depend on you how much far you want to go. Dear friends, the journey from the last hell to top heaven, demon to deity, towards the limitless sky is possible by this brain or the mind. Repeating, the journey, yes, until and unless I have the human body, I am doing a particular journey towards a particular aim. This journey may be towards the negative direction, maybe towards the positive direction, depend on my today's inclination. That's why, dear friends, our human mind or the human brain has the capability to go from the last hell to topmost heaven. It has the capability to go from the demonic world, Lucifer zone, to the, I am forgetting, um, demon to deity, Lucifer to Armageddon. That was in the Lucifer series. I am forgetting them. So demon to deity, I can go. Towards the limitless sky, I can go. And the sky is the only limit for our human mind or our human brain. So dear friends, the choice is completely of yours, completely of individual. This is the freedom of the will provided by the Creator, provided by the God, provided by the Allah, provided by the Jehovah. So dear friends, as per the ancient cosmology, I will not go in the detail, there are the 7 heavens present above the earth. Kindly refer the book of the 7 heavens. And yes, there are the many hell, many layer of the hell, many circles of the hell are at the below the earth level, below our planetary equilibrium. So dear friends, if you want to learn about the hell, kindly refer the Dante's Inferno. That was a very beautiful book. You can read the essence of that particular book in the Wikipedia also. Dante's Inferno. He has described beautifully the 9 layers, 9 circles of the hell. Similarly, ancient cosmology is saying that yes, there are the 7 layers above the earth, which are called as a heaven. And I have described a very beautiful picture. I will not describe it at this beginning level, but at the advanced level, at the advanced episodes, certainly we will refer this particular figure. So dear friends, 7 are up, 7 are down. It is completely depend on the human, completely depend on the individual, whether he want to go upward or he want to go below upward, whether he want to go towards the golden earth or whether he want to go towards the black earth. Choice is completely individual. Kindly mind it. Dear friends, one of the strength of our human mind or our human brain is it is extremely speedy. It has the speed of the light, I can say. It has infinity speed in it. It is the hyperactive. If I pour the energy in it, then yes, it can be the hyperactivate state. It may be there. It may be at the superconscious level. So dear friends, due to its hyperactivity and the extreme speedy nature, it is almost omnipresent in the places and the omnipresent in the time. Just discuss one by one. It is the omnipresent in the places. At this particular sorry. At this particular time, although I am in the Assam, India, at the farther state of the India, but I can think about the other part of the India like the Rajasthan, like the Kishangarh, etc. I can easily think about the Chicago in the USA or the Jerusalem of the Israel. So dear friends, at this particular moment I will choose whether I want to mentally be in Bongaigaon, Assam or in the Chicago or in the Kishangarh or somewhere else in the Jerusalem. So dear friends, at this particular time my mind had the capability to think about any damn place of my planet Earth or yes, things which are invisible and beyond the earth, like the hell. I can think about the hell or the heaven at this particular moment. That's why it is omnipresent in the places coverage of the X or the place. The Newton has given the complete universe is described in the place and the time, X or the T. Even if you have read some of the science, then you can understand what I am saying, what I want to say. The complete universe is comprising of the place and the time, and the Newton has very beautifully described it. So dear friends, similarly we are taking the concept of the science and we can say human mind or the human brain is omnipresent in the places. That's why it is covering complete X, complete places. And yes, it is omnipresent in the complete time. I can go towards the history. I can go towards the future. At this particular moment, at this particular time, I am the 38-year-old, but I can easily think at this particular moment how I was feeling at the age of the 5 years or age of the 3 years or age of the 9 years. I can think how I will work in the age of the 60 year or age of the 75 years. At this particular time, my brain have the capability to go towards the future, have the capability to go towards the history. So dear friends, it is the omnipresent in the time. That's why it is covering the complete time zone. And yes, Newton rocks. So dear friends, I can say our human mind or the human brain, it is the strength that yes, it is omnipresent in the places in the complete manner. It is omnipresent in the time in the complete manner. And we can say omni, omni, infinity, infinity. Dear friends, our human mind or human brain have the extreme capability. It has no limit of the powers at all. It has the infinity power in it. Whether we want to harness it or not, whether we want to use it in the positive direction or in the negative direction, in the deity direction or in the demonic direction. It is completely depend on the individual. So dear friends, our human mind or the human brain have the extreme capability, extreme capacity in it, and no limit of the power at all. As per the science, I am not alone at all. As per the science, normal human uses only the 10% of his human brain capacity, and the Einstein level of the persons were using only 30% of the brain capacity. Just believe that Newton or the Einstein or the Nikola Tesla, like genius persons, like were only using the 30%. That what will be happen? If I use my mind at the range of the 100%. Just think, my dear friends, have you thought ever? We are at the 10% level. Agreed. Einstein was at the 30% level. And what will happen if my mind will be work at the 100% level? Just think it. Dear friends, as one picture summarizes thousands of the words, similarly one video summarizes millions of the words I can see. That's why there was a very beautifully Hollywood movie was there, the Lucy. That is the possibility of the mankind. Let us see a very small clip of it. After that we will go further. It will see that how capable our mind is and what will be the level of the future mind, what will be the level of the future humanity will be. So dear friends, we will see the video, and it has the extreme capacity and the no limit of the powers at all. And we have talked about the science, and as per the spirituality, infinity mind power is possible. Infinity mind in the thought layer or in the mind or our human brain may be possible. If my mind is so strong that in the terms of the poetry, in the poetic term, I can say even the dead man can do the journey, can do the walk by his willpower. Whether the person is the dead, whether the person is lazy, no problem. But if he has the mental power, he has the superb willpower, then certainly he will be able to walk just like the zombies. It is a poetic line, that's why kindly do not take me otherwise that I am referring to the zombies. So dear friends, if my mind is saying I can do, you are correct. If I am saying I cannot do, yes, you are correct, yes, you are right. My mind is always right. I can do, I am right. I cannot do, I am also right. So my dear friends, we have to harness the best capabilities of our mind, of our human brain. Dear friends, let us see a small video which I was referring in the previous slide regarding the Hollywood movie Lucy. It is the level of the our human future human generation, or what will be happen if I use 100% of our mind. Kindly wait and watch the description. In description you will get the link of the video which I want to show you. Kindly wait and watch. I have the limitation that I am not able to include that particular video due to fear of the strike. I want to prepare the original content. This is the reason. But in the future, I will not break the continuity. And if someone will help me in making the videos, then certainly we will make more beautiful video than this one. Dear friends, I believe that you have watched the video described in the link, video 2 described in the link. Dear friends, now you can see how much capable our brain will be in our future. I mean that all the humans use their brain in the positive direction, in the positive manner. So dear friends, let us go ahead. One of the human mind strength is human mind or the human brain is the owner of the body. As the concept is saying, I am clearly saying higher layers are the owner of the lower layers. What are the lower layers? Our material, our body. These are the lower layers. Our human L3 layer or the thought layer, it is somewhat higher layer than the body. This means our brain is better at the better position than our human body. Okay. So if human brain or the human mind is the owner of the body, it's okay, because the higher layer L3 or the human mind is owner of our human body. Although our mind is below than our heart layer or the L6 layer and the soul layer or the human soul layer, L7 layer. That's why if the higher layers are controlling the lower layers, it's perfectly okay. We are in the perfect rhythm, no problem at all. Dear friends, what is the strength of our human mind? I want to show it to you. Otherwise, you will not able to grasp the concept which are described in the episode. There was one Indian king from the Kashi, somewhere in the Uttar Pradesh of the today's. He has led an operation of 1 hour, maybe of the stomach or something, in the 1985 or 1885 something, more than 70 or 80 years ago. That king was so much yogi, he has so much yogic powers, he has so much willpower that he has done a operation of 1 hour, that too without anesthesia. As we know that if I want to do the operation of today, then for the 15 minutes or the 20-minute operation, I have to have the give the anesthesia to the person so that he can bear the pain. But yes, he was so much capable that without anesthesia, he has taken a operation of the 1 hour, and he has so much yogic capabilities in him that he has stopped his heart for the 1 hour. And if the heart was stopped, this means the blood circulation was stopped, and no blood came out during the operation. Otherwise he could have died at the operation theatre itself. So dear friends, yes, it is possible by some of the persons, whoever will work on it, but at your own risk and cost, and depend on the inclination of the person to person. Not all the persons want to do all the things. I am saying thousand of the things, hundreds of the things. Concept should be clear, but whether you use the concept number 28 or concept number 35, it will be depend on the individual human. It will be depend on the individual inclination of his mindset. So dear friends, yes, it is possible to control complete human body by my brain, by the power of the yoga. And whether I am correct or not, I want to prove it. Dear friends, in today's world, Mr. Matt Rakonjai from the country Hungary is able to do so. Whatever I am saying, the king of the Kashi or the king of the India was able to do. Yes, this person is able to do the same thing in today's world. And let us see whether you believe it or not believe it. Choice is completely of yours. I want to just put the logical facts. Whether you believe it, not believe it, do the action on it, do not action on it, argue on it. Choice is of yours. I have just very right to put the logical thoughts in front of you. If you believe, goody goody. So dear friends, let us see the miracle of Mr. Mate Rakunjai. I bow to him, I thank to him for this beautiful video. Dear friends, kindly see the video number 3. Mr. Matt has the capability to stop the heart by his willpower, by his yogic power, by his miracle. Let us see it. Kindly wait and watch. Dear friends, I believe that you have watched and accepted the free advice given by your friend who is in front of you and not bypassing what I am saying. I believe that you have seen the video number 3. This is very beautiful video. If you have seen it, then you can see that how much capable my mind is. Dear friends, our human mind or the brain, if it is in the control, then it is the perfect servant. This is the perfectly obedient and this is the perfect helper, just like the genie of the Aladdin. Dear friends, if you are the lover of the cartoons, then certainly you know about the Aladdin, certainly you know about the genie of the Aladdin. So dear friends, yes, it is the perfect servant, it is the perfectly obedient and it is the perfect helper. If it is in control, repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. If it is in control, then you are seeing like it. If it is not in the control, you will see in the third episodes how much danger it is inside it. So dear friends, let us use the powers of our human brain. And the life of our human body is nearly 80 to 100 years. No doubt in the Bible it has said the ancient humans were of the age of the 400 year, 500 year, etc. In our ancient Hindu literature also, the persons of the hundreds of the years were available. Yes, the era was there. Our previous generation was capable to do this. But today's human body life is only 80 to 100 years. But life of the mind or the life of the brain is ideally infinity. It has the infinity lifetime and I can say almost immortal. How? For the sake of understanding, we are taking the example of the mobile. In mobile, handsets gets on changing. Repeating, handsets are get on changing, but Android email is the same. Similarly, the human body or the hardware is getting changed in every 80 or the 100 years, but human mind or the human brain or the software remains the same. It is a very beautiful spiritual concept. I can say, kindly read it, you will enjoy it, guarantee. Dear friends, the hardware will get changed, the body will go on change, but our human mind will keep the same. Software will be the same. If the same Android email is there, and yes, we are not authority to change the email again and again. My email is always same, whether it is the previous life or whether it will be in the next of the life, if it is. Dear friends, in the ancient poetry, in our poetic world, the persons have used so many beautiful things. They have covered so many philosophical things in the poetry. Just like in the Sant Kabir of the India, they have described a very beautiful concept, the same beautiful concept which have described in the previous slide in one two-liner poetry that is called the Doha in the India. Maya mari na man mara, Maya mari na man mara, mar mar gaya sharir. Asha Trishna na mari, kah gaye das Kabir. What is the meaning of it? Neither the illusion nor the mind, only the body attain the death. Only the body attain the death. The mind or the illusion or our brain is not attaining the death. Hope, desire, and the delusion did not die. The software will be the same, the Android email will be the same, only the hardware or the human body will keep on changing. Not I am saying that I am backed by the Sant Kabir of the India. So dear friends, as described in the previous episodes also, every wish, every word, every image creates one small, one delta mind or the delta brain, just like the creation of one neuron. And by fulfillment of that particular desire or the wish, that particular desire or the wish, that particular small mind or the brain will be vanish. Let us see it. If I want to eat one pastry, I have the wish to eat a pastry. Creation of small mind, creation of one desire. It will be remain in my mind till I fulfill it. Now I take my pastry, I take my sweet. What will be happen? The vanishing or the deletion of that particular desire will be there. Okay, one wish, remain it here, and after it, it will be fulfilled. Complete. Creation is there, deletion is there, and the remain is here. Tough is there, concept is tough, but it is the simplest word I can say, I can describe the philosophy. So dear friends, dynamic making and the breaking of the human mind or the brain is there. In the continuation making is there. In the daily life, we are doing the hundreds of the wishes, hundreds of the desires, and we are fulfilling hundreds of the wishes, hundreds of the desire. That's why dynamic making and dynamic breaking of the human brain is going on in our human life, in our human existence. Dear friends, as the desires are infinity, there are the millions and the billions of the neurons are there. Millions and billions of the desires available in our human brain. That's why I can say the desires or the wishes are infinity. These are the incomplete wishes or the incomplete desires since the previous lives also. In my last birth, I may have some unfulfilled incomplete desires, so that I have taken this particular birth, and if I have the remain desires till my death level, I have to reincarnate in the next birth. Just like in the Buddhism, His Holiness Dalai Lama is the incarnation of the same soul again and again. He has a desire to serve the humanity. That's why he keeps changing the body only, and the soul is completely same, and he is serving the mankind. That's why he is reincarnating again and again. And I bow to His Holiness Dalai Lama. Dear friends, that's why brain or the mind is immortal and has the eternal life. As the continuation making and the breaking is there, that's why it has eternal life, or it has almost immortal lifespan. Dear friends, that's why get rid of the human brain or the human mind is not so much easy. It is not possible at all that you are just get rid of this mind. If you are in the depression today, no problem, kindly do the conditioning by just hanging yourself, by just leaving your body. You are not able to help yourself. So dear friends, solution is only one: conditioning of our human mind or conditioning of our human brain for the common man. So dear friends, This is the only method available. Garbage in, garbage out. Good in, good out. Okay? Conditioning is possible. Kindly read the motivational books. Kindly read the motivational literature. Kindly see the emotional videos. Kindly do the good paintings. Kindly fulfill with good emotions. Kindly fulfill yourself with the good thoughts, positive thoughts. Sweat Modern books, Shiv Kheda books. Many books are there. There is the infinity literature available around you if you want to put good in your mind. If not, if you want to put the garbage in your mind, there are the infinity web series are there are the infinity videos are there. Whatever you want to say, completely open is there, completely buffet is there. Whatever you want to feed yourself with the buffet. So dear friends, solution is only conditioning of our mind. Whatever is the reason, suicide or leaving our body is not the solution. From the same level, from the same thought level, you will start your next journey. So dear friends, kindly believe these words. Whatever are the negativities are there, whatever dark you are, whatever problems you have, if you do not want to see the sun of the tomorrow, you are at that kind of the personality, no problem. Conditioning is possible. Just do good feed, good thought. Some days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 21 days, and you will see the miracles in your life. You will see the complete change in the direction of your life. So dear friends, the conditioning of the human brain or the mind is the only possible solution with us. And dear friends, the human mind is made of the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind, which is not being seen, the science is not so much knowing about it. It is only dealing roughly with the conscious mind only. Dear friends, the subconscious mind is highly receptive to all words, all images, all thoughts, etc. And that's why it is always alert. If I am not seeing but I am observing many of the things. And if it is a machine, as it is a machine, hence Gigo will be applicable. Garbage in, garbage out, good in, good out. Choice is completely of individual, completely of yourself. So dear friends, whatever you are saying in your mind, whatever web series you are seeing, whatever YouTube you are saying, you are completely feeding yourself, you are completely feeding your mind. Kindly decide what to feed and what to not feed. Sometimes the poison is always also important. I know. I want to see some particular series, web series. It may have some of the negativities in it. But if it is useful for me and if I am able to control my emotions of the negativity, then yes, I am allowed to see that particular web series if I can handle the negativities in it, so that I can learn about the negative zones also. Dear friends, our human mind or the human brain, it is only asking for the power or the energy or the body electricity or the chi energy. Just pay the energy, just pay the body electricity, just pay the chi energy in it, and it will do the miracles. Dear friends, kindly pay in terms of the energy, and our mind or the brain will do the miracles. And how to generate the energy we will discuss in the transparent manner in our energy episodes. So dear friends, at last we can see infinity can be said about the human brain strength. We have discussed just some drop in the ocean. I know many of things, but in the limited time, I will only able to touch the drops in the ocean. Dear friends, I welcome you all in making the Eden Garden on this planet Earth. These are the spiritual science concepts to make the Eden Garden These are the spiritual science concepts to bring the Eden garden on this planet Earth. And I believe in it, and I believe that you will help me, you will help the society, you will help the spirituality to bring the Eden garden on this earth. Yes, the time has come. Dear friends, I believe that you will help yourself, you will help the society, you will help the mankind, you will help the planet earth. Dear friends, Jesus Christ has clearly told one thing: knowing is very good, but doing is always better. You know many things. You have seen the millions of the videos, may have. You have seen thousands of the web series, may have. But if you are not following the things, if you are not taking the action on it, then certainly it is useless. It is hardly of any of the use. So dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. And at last, the positive powers of the planet Earth will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people, and for the people. Dear friends, let's go together. And this time, the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. I am very sure of it. This time, we will touch the land just like the Noah's Ark. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concept. I am transparently describing each and every bit details, each and every minute details of the spiritual science. Choice is completely of individual, choice is completely of yourself to follow the deity or positive or white or godly energy versus demonic or negative or black or the satanic energy. It is completely of your choice whether you want to go towards the Christ or towards the Antichrist, towards the Al-Mahdi or towards the Al-Dajjal, towards the Kali or towards the Lord Kalki, towards the Maitreyi Buddha or towards the Mara. It is completely depend on you. Dear friends, if there is any kind of questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions or critics are there, that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may be anyone. You may have any kind of the questions in you below the sky. You are always welcome to discuss with me, with your own friend. Dear friends, thank you very much for watching. Happy times and good day, my dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you.